Bobbled it. And now he's got to hustle back. Atkinson in low. Cam Atkinson beats. Miller the save with the goal stick. Rebound. He dove out to stop that one as well. Pretty much all of Ryan Miller was below the goal line. And he was able to reach forward and stop the second attempt from Atkinson.
Ryan Miller the best on this one. Troy Stecher bobbles. Atkinson all sorts of time. Goes to the backhand. And then Miller down and out. Dives back. Okay, makes the original save. Now he's behind the goal line. Atkinson's got an angle, and Miller